It's time for I like you better.
When you have...
Yeah! Topic sino una?
Okay.
Ang panalo una.
Okay. Ano una? Saan una?
Kahit ano. Unang magsasabi.
Okay. Ah! I like you.
Oh my God.
I like you better when you have big lips.
Big lips agad.
Big red lips.
Uncurtness niya, no? Mm. Oh, ako naman. I like you better kapag dugtong yung kilay mo.
I don't like this. I like you better when you have dark blush.
I like you better with nunal. Oh.
I like you better. I like you better when yung ganun na may parang walk
Ano
dito.
yan? Beard? Oh my I like you better with the mustache like that. Mr. Suave!
Yung kunal ko. I like you better pag malaki yung buto sa ilong mo.
Oh my God! Parang ang lala nung sa akin eh. No? I like you better
No!
na may makapal na lipstick.
Okay.
Pero sa labas. Dito sa labas, hindi sa loob. Oh, bakit?
I like you better. You have a big eyebrows.
Kulang pa ba?
Tapos magkadugtong din. Gusto natin.
I like you better with eye bugs.
I like you better when you have big nose. Ay, hindi. Bigger nunal. Dito yun.
Ang lala. I like you better with the crown sa noo.
I like you better with matangos na ilong.
Oh! Ame. It's it. I like you better with the bare nose.
Gusto ko ng clown nose. Big red clown nose.
I like you better with the beard dito lang sa gitna. Ay na yan.
Okay, last but not the least.
Uy, wala na akong mapaglagyan.
I like you better when you have eye bags pero hanggang dito.
Okay guys, rate our faces.
Guys, rate 1 to 10. Sino pinakapangit?